Hello folks, Marcelo Torres once again with a video analysis for Bitcoin. Earlier today I made an analysis in Portuguese for the Brazilian guys, and I was saying that on the 4 hour chart we can see that for almost 2 days we have the Bitcoin moving sideways. If I compare this situation with the one we had beginning on um, what do we have here? On May 15 or something like that. May 15, that's right. We can see that for a while, after dropping and touching the bottom line of the upper channel, it moved like other 2 days before starting a rally up until the other side of the channel on the upper line. So um, this is not a bad situation to happen here as well. As we can see that we are losing some positive signs of all the indicators. We already have the stochastic saying that it's going down. We have the relative strength index saying that it might go down. There's a dual fight here between the line and the histogram. We can see also on the stochastic that we still don't have, actually it's the MACD, I'm sorry. We still don't have the line crossing over under um, on the chart, but it's quite there. So if by the end of the day today or something like tomorrow we don't see prices going up again, we surely might see uh, other signs saying that for sure in a red circle that we're going down. As we can see, my indicator here, the volume wave, it's saying that the negative waves is under formation. So it's under formation right here, and we can see that its pivot sign are showing us here that it's a fight between the blue and the red, the positive and the negative. So let's see how this is going to go out. But for now, we still have um, the a first bar on the negative histogram saying that we already reached the moving average line, a 20 period average of the 4 hour chart, saying that they already reached that point, and from there it could start going down to the lower band of the volume wave. So let's keep our eyes on that. When we go for the buy sell trend indicator, we can see that it's struggling to keep a positive trend, short-term trend actually. We have a strong mid-term trend and a long-term trend which is going down as well. That's why we have the background of this chart here of the buy sell indicator. It's in red. So if that is true, we might keep seeing this move for maybe comparing with this one right here. Actually, we can draw an arrow to see how that is going to run out. Let's see, let's get it from here up to here. So if we move this guy to this point, we might see like maybe 4 or 5 other 4 hour bar or candle happening kind of on a sideway move in order to go up. We can see that the same measurement I did right here on this area, we had uh, prices going down for a little bit, then it went up again. So that it's not possible for that to happen here, and it would be very nice because if it goes down something like 6,300, I don't know, maybe 63, maybe 62.50, it would be a very nice buy position in order for us to get a rally up, which would give us not less than, if it repeats the same move here, it would give us something like a 20%, which is very good, right? I've been doing like 20%. I did 19% last week. This week I lost my buy point. So I'm just watching the graphic go up, and I just lost my 20% as well. I tried to go with 5700, and it went 57.29. So I, for 29 bucks, I lost my position here. It's that happens. So let's see how it's gonna run out. If we check the other indicator, the money pressure, we can see that there's a fight going here as well to try to hold the the line is trying to sign that it wants to go up, but the money pressure is still going down. So we have here a blue circle, and let's see how that one's gonna move on by the end of the week. We have also, let's check here, the price spread. We have a red circle here going down. So it's saying that the spread, the price spread might go down. Like I said, we might see it going down like this here. It would go down something like, where's my, here it is. Let's see, it would go down something like 5%. Okay, you can jump in and try to make another 20% if it goes up. Okay, what is good on the 4-hour chart is that we're seeing the volatility still going down, which means again that we have a fight between buyers and sellers, which makes the balance on the trend for the 4-hour chart. Okay, so let's move here now for the 1-day chart. We can see here that it's going up or a mix of going up and going down. We can see that as slowly the positive volume wave is going down, but it's going down very slowly. We still have, who knows, I don't know, on the daily chart we might end up seeing subsequent positive wave. I don't know. Let's keep our eyes on that. But check this out. We have the candles going up for the 1-hour chart, which means that every day we have a bigger or a smaller candle, but it's always going up. But take a look on the volume. Check it out. We can see that the volume is, in an average, it's going down. Okay, which means that this this uptrend might be um, um, jeopardized by this volume. So let's just keep our eyes on that on the daily chart. We might see something more expressive by the end of the week. Today, for the time being, today we have prices going down like 2%. No big deal, because if it keeps on going up with a lot of green candles, we actually go and see some red candles. So we had some strong green candles going up, so we might see one or two red candles, and that's when we try to jump in and in order to make some money. The relative strength, it's having a fight between the line and the histogram, but the histogram still didn't give up. So let's keep our eyes on that stochastic, which is predicts the price move. It's saying it's going up. Perfect, perfect. When we check out the buy sell indicator, we can see that the the short term trend is going up. You can see that it's going with the signal line, and sometimes there's a risk of crossing down, but it ends up moving forward. So this is nice. Let's see if we can keep it like that. Here it's clear for us on the Heikiachi chart that the volume is going down while prices are going up. Be careful. If you guys check, we know that the Bitcoin most of the time moves on the opposite way of the regular stock market. If you guys check the S&P 500 chart, if you guys check the Dow Jones Industry chart, you guys are gonna see that on the daily chart. And if you guys want to check the Brazilian Ibovespa um, IBOV chart as well, you guys are going to see that on the daily chart, it's showing that prices, the index is going up and the volume is going down. So we have to take care on that. Okay. We also have the money pressure. It's still positive. It's slowing down. See, look how the histogram is kind of turning around. So let's keep our eyes on that to see if we're going to lose it. And the price spread for the the daily chart is also slowing down, but less than what's happening on money pressure, but it's still slowing down. So let's keep our eyes on that as well. Um, to end, well, we have the weekly chart that it's still it's still it's starting actually to move from the negative side, giving some sign that it might go to the positive side, but still we don't have much going on. We have to wait for Sunday at 9 p.m. UTC time to see how it's gonna look like um, the next volume wave histogram bar. If it's gonna get a bigger one or a smaller one. Let's just keep our eyes on that as well. Okay, but this is a mid long term, so we don't have to worry about that right now. What we have to check out is it wants to move positive. It's still showing some negative sign, and the daily chart is also almost moving positive, but on the 4 hour it's moving. It's signing that it wants to move negative. So we have a 4 hour going down and a 1 hour going up, right? And then we have weekly still trying to go down, but let's check the monthly. The monthly is still going down. Okay, so I found this triangle, the symmetrical triangle here for the monthly chart. So if it goes down, it's okay because it's just hitting up and hitting down, hitting up in accumulation to see where it's gonna break out. Since it came from the bottom, it should break out from the top, so which is good. But that would happen, I don't know, maybe May when we have the halving going on for Bitcoin. Maybe May, I don't know. That could be, it's possible. So let's just keep our eyes on that. For now, we have to know that the 1 day chart, it wants to go up, but we have a volume problem. And when we look for the 4 hour chart, it looks like it wants to go down, but there's no problem there because in some time it's just gonna move a revert, a bottom reversal, and goes up. So it could give us a good position to get in. Okay, see that it's moving sideways here on the Heikiashi chart for the 4 hour chart, but the volume is not supporting it. So this is a sign that something is going to go on soon. Okay, guys, that's it. You guys can find my analysis right now on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, TradingView, and LinkedIn. Choose your social network, favorite social network, and follow me right there. I would appreciate it a lot. Give me a like if you guys like this analysis. It means a lot for me, and that's it. If you guys follow me on TradingView, you guys will get my analysis right away. Okay, that's it, folks. Take care. Keep your eyes on these points that I showed you guys. Keep your eyes on the regular stock market, SP 500, and Dow Jones Industry. And if you guys want, why not the Brazilian stock market, Ibovespa, IBOV, and see what's going to happen because the volume is not supporting the index going up. Okay, that's it, you guys. Take care, and now it's showtime.